Hi guys, this is Chris from Desmoworld. As I mentioned before, I want to quickly install our two-piece beauty nuts, but things didn't turn out as expected. The problem is on the V4, the outer nut stuck more on the bolt than it should be. So you open the nut, but the complete bolt comes off the lock. And I'm quite sure this is not the way it should be, okay? So how you can easily fix this problem? Take two M6 nuts you find on your box maybe, screw them on and tighten them together, okay? So you have a lock of this. And then take a tool and happily, if we are lucky, yeah, you can open it. To be honest, on the other side it was really hard. So I'm not sure how they fixed the outer bolt or not on this stud. So the problem is I can't see any thread locker here, but I see the red thread locker here. So I'm not sure what they do in the factory, but Ducati, think about and find a solution, because this is not the way it should be. Okay, but anyway, easy solution, two nuts, tighten them together and you go. And what works in one direction works also in the other direction. So take a new thread locker on the thread, screw them in and tighten them up. Screw one, two, for sure. One nut is enough on this place, but I did two. It's okay. And here we go. My beautiful two-piece nuts, inside black, outside different colors available, ready to install. Awesome. Some may say producing parts like this inside Germany doesn't make sense. Go to China and you make more money, but I don't give a fuck. I love producing, I love detailing, I love my company and my job, and this is why I do it. I hope you appreciate it and leave me in a comment. Bye bye.